Good morning, all you lovers of good weather. We're going to take a look at this weather update. We're going to take a look off weatherbell.com, see if there's any good stuff there. And let's take a look at our central update. So again, there's going to be, a lot of cold air coming down through Canada in the next 7 days. It's going to be a battle between warm and cold, and eventually the cold will win out, and there's going to be some decent snowfall, as you can see here. But I want to take a look at the battle between warm and cold, because as you know, we're in severe weather season this time of year. And with that being said, you got to watch out for your twisters and whatnot. But let's take a look at our day three convective outlook. And as you can see, we have a pretty good chance of some severe weather there in Texas by day 3. Days 4 through 8, again, pretty decent risks on day 4. So let's take a look at how this is all going to pan out by looking at our good old model guidance. Let's take a look at our good old American model, the GFS model, and see what exactly is going to happen on the surface parameters of all of this stuff. So let's take a look. Here we go from now, tomorrow, and again, we're just kind of sliding through the days. A lot of rain there in Ohio, in the Mississippi River Valley by Friday. And again, here's that big system of severe weather. As you can see, some decent severe weather by Friday and Saturday. So again, that kind of shoves itself eastward, and then you get left with some quieter weather in the east by Monday, and then by Tuesday, another system kind of moves itself through. We get some cold air come by Wednesday, cold enough to snow in places like Cleveland, and then eventually, again, we get some warm air trying to mesh itself into the pattern. Let's take a look at our 8 to 14 day temperature and precip outlook to close, because I have school today and I kind of have to do this in somewhat of a rush. Our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook shows a lot of cold air to the north and west, a lot of precip to the east and west, but dry in the central. So let's take a look at our 6 to 10 day precip outlook and temperature outlook. Very cold in the next 6 to 10 days in the west, very warm in the southeast, then very wet in the east, and very wet also in the west. So as you can see, there's pretty much a divide. If you're in the central part of the country, it's going to be drier and warmer. But if you're in the eastern and western part of the country, it's going to be more cooler and wet. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this update. Make sure you share my channel for more long-range weather content to come, and make sure you have a great day, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.